You may know English language has 44 sounds. 24 are consonant sounds and 20 are vowel sounds. If you pronounce the 44 sound correctly, your pronunciations must be more natural. Hello dear viewers, I am Roman from the home of learning English. I've set a plan to make videos on 44 sound consistently. So stay tuned with me. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you 4 consonant sound. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. P, 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 pot, put, paper, point, point, point. Next one is b, 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 bowl, bite, book, boat, boat. And next one is t, 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 time, time, table, table, teacher, teacher, top, top. And next one is d, 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 data, drink, data, drink, day, day, daughter, daughter, daughter. That's all for today. I think this video is helpful for you, actually for your pronunciation. And if you feel this video is cup of tea for you and you are walking in the park after watching this video, you can subscribe to my channel for getting next video. So it is time to say goodbye. Thank you very much everyone.